Okay, so we will talk about the slow learner. Okay, here we will done two cases. Before we will start the third cases, that was the about the slow learner. So what do you do in the case of the slow learner? There is a thing, three things which is including slow learner. First, if you define the slow learner, what you do in that case? Okay, so firstly, define the slow learner. So slow learner are those child who are not able to keep their pace as other child. Okay, if you define in the layman language, here are standard language which is also explain the slow learner. Okay, so if you notice out, there are different categories of the slow learner. Okay, you have to found out in your class, in your counseling class. Okay, so as a special educator or as a teacher, what you do in that case when you get a slow learner child? Okay, so in that case you have to make what you have to make, uh, you have to make a stable pace to that child. Okay, what is the meaning of a stable pace? Okay, so stable pace means, uh, there is a in class you have to notice out there is a two kind of child. Okay, first child, uh, who are normal. Okay, uh, their catching power, their mental stamina, everything will be normal. But in the other case, who am talking about slow learner. In this slow learner, what you observe, uh, that child are those people who are not able to maintain their pace. Okay, so what happened? What you do in that case? You have to make a strategy. You have to make a test. Okay, uh, firstly, first thing, you have to make a method over there. Okay, so in method is what you do. First point, observe your child, uh, because there is some child who have the different kinds of caliber. Okay, some child are good at their study, but slow, but you have to notice out their pace will be very slow when they start, doing some game. Okay, doing some sports game. So that time, he or she not able to he, not giving a best in their sport. Okay, so what you do, you in that case, you didn't write okay that child is slow, or that child will be good or bad. Okay, so not justify or according to their these skill. Okay, so this is also carry out. First is their education is their your class work, like your scholastic and co-elastic we talk about in another word. Okay, so uh, in the class, some child who are able to do a very speedily, but in the case of the field, they are not able to do. Okay, so these kind of observation is very neatly observe out. Okay, now second thing, what you do, you have to make some list to these child, uh, where uh, where uh, where the slow learner, in the case of slow learner. Okay, you have to use some daily basis uses. So what is a daily basis uses? Some like a some real a touch will be very important in the case of slow learner. Okay, so what you do, you have to, when you start doing something, any activities, any class work, so just touches to the real sense. Real sense is like, when you do something, when you start doing something like reading, writing, anything related to the activity. So what you do, you have to make your child, you have to prepare your child accordingly to their uh, skill. Okay, skill is like okay, if you start writing, so what you do, firstly you have to develop their fine motor skill. Okay, so how you develop their fine motor skill? You have to make, take a needle. Okay, take a needle and do practice over there. Okay, so first example is this. Now third point, what you do, you have to do whatever you do, you just make a real sense. So touch is a real sense when this child. So what you do, their mental, their physical, and their holistic development is a way easily they capture up. Okay, now third method, what you do, third okay, so third, you have to gather the three category of child. Okay, first child who are normal, second child is slow learner, and third child who are do well in their class but not able to perform in the field. Okay, so this is the third categories. So these all are the methods. Now okay, so what was the remedy you have to provide? So there is a different kinds of remedy. uh, First, if I start these case, so I just use a real method. Okay, so you have to take some real thing, uh, uh, real activities like in ETLM. Okay, uh, whatever your chapter will be covered over there. Okay, now what you do in the second steps, uh, uh, just be kind to that child, uh, uh, and will be just mingle to your child. Okay, just talk to your child, uh, just be friendly to your child, and just try to maintain their regards, their respect. Okay, now these are the remedy. Now what was the precautions you do after you follow all the steps and measures and terms and conditions? So what you do, your precautions. So in your precautions, you have to make a chart. Okay, so in that chart, just write a test. Okay, so test according to their severity level. First test will be if your child will be more severe. uh, Severe, in case of severity, what you do, if your child not able to perform much good in the class. Okay, and not well perform in the field also. So in that case, you have to make a proper test, just frame a test. Okay, now second, what you do, uh, you have to talk to their parents. Okay, and just and talk to their parents. Okay, it's fine if your child is a slow learner. Please do not feel guilt. Okay, because that's not the child problem. Okay, uh, it's somehow our problem, our problem. So it's our problem, and it's our, if you taken as, okay, we are as a disabled person, not our child. Okay, so these all are the precautions. You have to make a frame out when you perform it. Now what you do, you have to divide anything, whatever you do, whatever you perform in the class, in the field, or in your as a parent. So what you do, you have to divide your task in a very small steps. So child will be easily grasp whatever they read out, whatever they write out, so these are the steps. So through these steps, we will provide a child as a healthy environment. Okay, uh, so that whatever child carry out with any small capacity, that will be performed with a full stamina in the class, in the field. Okay, so these all are the precautions we will done to our child, as a counselor, as a special educator, as a parents. Okay, so thank you everyone.